back to Homes Decor Designs, your go-to channel for creating spaces you absolutely love. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Hey design lovers, and welcome back to Homes Decor Designs. If you're looking to extend your living space beyond the four walls of your house and create a stunning outdoor oasis, you are in the right place. Today we're diving into the wonderful world of the outdoor patio area. We've gathered the top 10 best patio designs that will spark your creativity, whether you have a sprawling backyard or a cozy urban balcony. Get ready to take notes because these ideas are game changers. First, let's nail down a simple question. What is the meaning of an outdoor patio area? The term patio comes from the Spanish word for courtyard or backyard. Essentially, an outdoor patio area is a paved open-air space directly adjacent to a house, designed for outdoor dining, relaxation, or entertaining. It's typically constructed of hard materials like concrete, stone pavers, brick, or tile, distinguishing it from a wooden deck. It serves as a seamless transition zone, blending the comfort of your indoors with the beauty of your outdoors, giving you an extra room to enjoy. Now, why should you invest time and effort into creating one? Well, the benefits of having an outdoor patio area are enormous. Having a well-designed patio significantly increases your home's usable living space and, critically, boosts your property value. It creates an irresistible area for entertainment, turning simple gatherings into memorable experiences, whether you're hosting a summer barbecue or enjoying a quiet evening by a fire pit. Furthermore, spending time outdoors in a comfortable and beautiful setting is proven to reduce stress and improve mood, effectively making your patio your personal retreat for relaxation and enjoying nature. Finally, a defined patio space protects your lawn and landscaping, creating a durable and easy-to-maintain surface that handles heavy foot traffic beautifully, serving as a clean transition area from the yard to the house. Ready to decorate? Let's talk about how to decorate your outdoor patio area to look good. To achieve a cohesive and inviting look, start by defining your patio's purpose and flow. If it's for dining, ensure the table and chairs fit comfortably with room to walk around. If it's for lounging, prioritize deep-seated, comfortable furniture. Layering is key. Begin with a foundational piece like an outdoor rug to add color, texture, and define the area. Introduce varying levels of lighting, overhead string lights, lanterns, and floor lamps, to create a warm, magical ambience for evening use. Finally, inject life and personality through vibrant, weatherproof throw pillows, blankets, and most importantly, potted plants and greenery, which instantly soften the hard edges of stone and wood, bringing nature right to your seating area. And what about the essentials? Here are the best items for your outdoor patio area. First, weatherproof seating. Sofas, sectional, or chairs made from rattan, treated wood, aluminum, or all-weather wicker. Second, outdoor rug. Defines the space, adds color, and makes the area feel cozier and more indoor-like. Third, ambient lighting. String lights, fairy or Edison bulbs, floor lanterns, or wall sconces for evening atmosphere. Fourth, fire feature. A fire pit, gas or wood, or an outdoor fireplace to extend usability into cooler months. Fifth, shade solution. A pergola, awning, cantilever umbrella, or gazebo to protect against sun and light rain. Sixth, outdoor kitchen/grill station. For the ultimate entertaining experience, including counter space and a built-in barbecue. Seventh, side/coffee tables. Essential surfaces for drinks, food, and decoration. Eighth, potted plants and planters. Adds crucial natural texture, color, and life to the hardscape. Ninth, water feature. A small fountain or pond element to introduce soothing sounds. And to complete your inspiration and spark your creativity, here these the compilation of the 10 incredible patio area designs to inspire you for your next project. 1. The Minimalist Grill and Fountain Patio. Streamlined modern dining hub. A sleek, minimalist design featuring a louvered white pergola and a clean-lined kitchen with a built-in grill and wine fridge. A dramatic water feature acts as a visual break, flowing into a small basin. The muted color palette of grays and beiges, combined with simple wood and metal furniture, achieves a highly contemporary and uncluttered look. 2. The Mediterranean Pergola Dining. Rustic alfresco dining and cooking. A charming patio defined by a rustic wooden pergola overhead. The large, white stucco fireplace and built-in white brick kitchen with a grill provide full outdoor cooking capabilities. A long wooden farm-style table with benches and a mix of chairs offers ample seating, creating a beautiful setting for large, sunny family meals. 3. The slatted screen privacy patio. Small space, modern privacy. Excellent for smaller or urban lots. This patio uses a tall, horizontal slat with screen to add privacy and warmth. A built-in wooden bench is softened with plush throw pillows, and the simple, modern planters with spiky foliage add vertical interest. The clean lines and neutral color scheme create a stylish, private sun-soaked retreat. 4. The rustic outdoor kitchen and bar. The ultimate entertainment pavilion. This design features a robust wood trussed gazebo sheltering a full outdoor kitchen and bar. The stone-clad bar with seating creates a social hub, while the built-in fireplace and mounted TV ensure this space is usable year-round, making it perfect for hosting parties or watching the big game outdoors. The flagstone pathway adds a beautiful, organic transition from the lawn. 5. The modern minimalist Zen courtyard. Sleek sanctuary with water feature. A stunning example of modern minimalist design. The sunken conversation pit is defined by clean lines and a perimeter of manicured hedges. A striking stone accent wall features a circular cutout and a built-in fireplace, creating an architectural focal point. The shallow surrounding stream and lush low-maintenance plants contribute to a peaceful, Zen-like atmosphere. 6. The family-friendly gravel lounge. Cozy fire pit and play area. A wonderful family-focused design where the seating area is defined by a border and filled with pea gravel for texture and drainage. A massive modular sectional faces a modern fire pit, while a white slatted screen offers a bright visual break from the lush green hedge backdrop. The nearby playhouse ensures both adults and children have a dedicated space. 7. The dark and moody urban retreat. Illuminated garden dining and lounge. This small space solution is big on style. Dark horizontal fencing creates a backdrop for a cozy, built-in sectional with glowing underlighting. Strategic spotlighting highlights the planting and cooking area with a large smoker/grill. The dark color palette and warm lighting give this urban garden a sophisticated, intimate feel, perfect for evening gatherings. 8. The contemporary poolside lounge. Sophisticated indoor-outdoor fireplace area. This ultra-modern patio combines sleek materials like glass, dark tile, and polished concrete. A stunning ribbed vertical fireplace is the centerpiece, flanked by decorative wood storage circles. The covered area, next to a glass-fenced pool, creates a luxurious and comfortable zone for relaxation and pre- or post-swim lounging. 9. The covered coastal farmhouse. Breezy, casual patio extension. A lovely example of a porch patio that feels like an extension of the home. The light, weathered brick and overhanging roof create a sheltered space. Woven rattan furniture and a vibrant, striped outdoor rug add a touch of coastal casual style. Multiple ceiling fans ensure comfort, while the bright colors make the space feel airy and inviting. 10. The stylish covered brick lounge. Warm and cozy entertainment zone. This design features a stunning tongue and groove with ceiling with recessed lighting and a ceiling fan. The accent wall is clad in beautiful stacked stone surrounding a TV and fireplace, with tall log storage elements. Woven outdoor furniture in natural tones creates a modern, comfortable lounge area, perfect for relaxing right off the main house. Aren't these spaces absolutely incredible? Whether you're drawn to the rustic charm of an outdoor kitchen or the sleek lines of a modern lounge, remember that your patio should be an authentic reflection of your lifestyle. It's an investment in your home, your happiness, and your ability to enjoy the beautiful outdoors. Which of these top 10 patios was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want to see more inspiring home decor and design tips, hit that like button right now and subscribe to Homes Decor Designs. Ring the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. We'll see you next time.